I'm in traffic. Hey, mi gente, I'm back. I'm back. I know I'm yelling. I'm back. I'm back right now. I'm in Miami right now. I'm in the C8 right now, as y'all see. Y'all see the bloody. I'm in the C8 right now. Woo! Woo! I'm in the C8. I'm in the C8, like I said, bloody. And the blood of Christ. Y'all know what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm cutting through Miami right now. I'm just testing out this C8, you know? I'm fucking with it, boy. Hey, the thing get up out of there, it get up out of there. You know? I love it. So, what I'm gonna do is, we cutting through Miami right now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm POVing right now. Broad daylight, buddy on the bike cutting the street up, you know what I'm saying? Like he trying to get smacked. Shit, but we in Miami right now, cutting through a quick little POV, broad daylight. I'm gonna cut through nightlife of Miami too, but right now it's daytime in Miami. We cutting through Opalaka, you know what I'm saying? It's Miami Gardens right now, but we cutting through Opalaka, you know what I'm saying, on the main street right now. This is 22nd. Oh, that boy had the black wing, a blue one. Damn, let me double back. Let me see if I catch that boy real quick. Let me see if I catch that boy real quick. Woo! Come on, turn. Hurry. Let's go. Let me catch that black wing real quick. Let me see if I catch that black wing. Oh, that boy done branched off. He going into somebody's parking lot. Damn. Ah, that's cool though. He right there. Black wing. A little Maiden Day video. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but Maiden Day. Damn, dog. It's the cremation area, dog. The funeral service, dog. That's where my stepdaddy was at, laid to rest. You know what I'm saying? God bless my dog, Vito. Y'all know what it is, you know what I'm saying? Well, y'all don't know what it is, but you know, bomb. Never forgot. Hey, but we out here, cutting up. Maiden Day. Shout out to my Miami niggas, cause I'm a Miami nigga. All day. You know what I'm saying? Just a little cut up. We finna be out here, like I said, let me see where I'm going. Tonight, I'm finna do a nice little, if I got time, I'm gonna cut through South Beach late night so y'all can see what the nightlife look like. You know what I'm saying? Cut through Wynwood. You know, right now just a little daytime thing. I gotta get prepared. I'm finna go pick up my old girl. You know what I'm saying? Pick up my old girl so we can have like a nice little dinner, birthday dinner. You know what I'm saying? So we all gotta go jump in the shower, get ready, boom. So detour, A26, hey, all this damn construction they got going on here, hey, money. Man, I love the C8. I love the C8. Hey, if y'all ain't know, twin turbo Marrow on the way. Twin turbo Marrow on the way. Twin turbo Marrow on the way. 2 snails, big double snail. My twin got a twin, nigga. That type shit. You know? We out here. So, more little lines on the road. Let me cut this way. And I'm gonna double back. Just a little nice little detour of this area here. I don't know if they calling it Opalaka no more, but this Bunch Paul area, you know what I'm saying? That boy out here. Yeah, man. Shit. For rent. I'm trying to buy some shit, dog. Buy that shit. Yeah, man. Y'all see what I had to do real quick? Quick little boom bam. Quick little boom bam. That little slight work. Buddy out here with his daughter, you know what I'm saying? Fatherly love. The best love in the world. You know, I got my daughters and stuff like that too, you know what I'm saying? So, fatherly love. Y'all know what it is, dog. Let me see, which way I gotta go? Okay, I gotta go this way. I'm gonna shoot a movie on her, boy. Movie? She's gonna catch no heart attack, cause I'm gonna just do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ham on her, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going up and down real quick, a little back to back, you know what I'm saying? See Buddy just hanging out the window. This Miami shit, Buddy had the Dukes. You know what I'm saying? He in the rental. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm saying he got the Cali tag, so you know that's a rental. Buddy rented out. But, ain't no fear, man. We ain't dead, man. You know what I'm saying? Never slipping. If you know, you know. You know, just out here. You know what I'm saying? 360 camera, people like to see little things. So I'm gonna do a little quick little launch at this light. I'm just circling back. Oh, got the Hawaii tag on there. I just got out the dirt bike. It's so, man, I love Miami so much, dog. I love Miami so much. So how you do launch? Take the traction off. That might be like my car. Boom, boom, maybe double tap. You see? You hold it. Let me see if I hold it. Okay, okay. You hold it. You know what I'm saying? You hold it. Am I sport mode? Now I'm on sport mode. Y'all see what they do when you put on sport mode? I gotta go this way. You know what I'm saying? Mi gente? That's gonna conclude the video real quick. We're done with y'all boys. So y'all stay tuned for the next video, man. Y'all like and subscribe. Your boy out, man. Woo! Suspended. Y'all know what it is. We're gonna grow that thing to 1 million, man. Y'all like and subscribe. Peace.